Yes, welcome to this tutorial. Tip on how to use DXF file for numeric 840D. How do we import DXF file in our Siemens programming? I want to show you a tip on how to do this. After you have designed, let's say this is what you have designed. Um, you click on the face, then say to normal. Okay, go to file, then save as. You can pick the location you're saving. Pick the location you're saving. I want to save here. Then I want to say this is 3. Let me put any name there. Then check here as DX. This DXF file can be used in CNC laser, CNC plasma, but also it can be used in CNC milling and turning. This is the best advantage when you're using Siemens controllers. That's Siemens 828 or Siemens 840D. Now click on DXF file. Then you can click maybe here. For example, I want to put here. Then say save. Then click OK here. You'll see a preview of this window. You can remove what you don't want. For example, if I don't want this one, I can click here and then I say delete. You see this? But if you don't want it, you leave it. Yes, you leave it. Then you say now save. Now, after doing that, let's go to our software. I'll show you how to import it. Now, in our software, first of all, ensure that you have the access level. I don't want you to give you the password on how to create the access level, but to go to menu select, then click on setup, go to HMI, that is human machine interface, go to log drives, ensure you create on the one maybe you don't, that's empty here. For example, let me for example, I want to create a drive here where it is empty. Click here now, change, then take to what you call Windows drive. Where is my part? I can say this is my part location. I don't want to show you this one. These are my tip. Then I can say this is Kim Juma, my drive. Then I can say OK. Once I click OK, you will see. Let me put Kim. Once I click OK, you will see drive comes. So let me show you the drive now. Go to Program Manager. You see this one. This is my drive. I can access the file I've created. Like you see this DXF file. You have the DXF file here. You can see this DXF file. Now I can copy this DXF file, and then I come to NC under my part program. For example, I can put here, and then I say paste. When it comes there, I can go to my program now. I can start now programming. I can start programming. For example, let me show you. This is my header. I'm doing. I know I have a diameter of 150, which is a cylinder with a facing of 0.5, and then my height is minus 30. I'm doing a rapid retraction plane at 100. Okay. Then I go to my facing. This is normal. This is ShopMill normal. It is 150 divided by 2, minus 75, then 75 again. Then I'm using for 3%. Okay, that is facing. Then I go to I'll go to my contour. For example, I want to do spigot milling. For example, I want to do path milling. What do I do? For example, if this is the contour, how do I do this one? How do I import it? So click here, enter, and then go to your contour mill. That's contour mill. Click new, and then check this import DXF file. You can put any name you want. They say put contour, then accept. From there, it opens up to the part program files, not the folder created. Now pick the one you want. For example, this one, and then change here to automatic back. Then click here, this one, then OK, accept. Then say yes. So this is then accept. So this is how to create the contour. And you see, this is a contour I have imported. This is a contour I have imported. And then now from there, you can go and do your part milling, you can add your part milling, blah, blah, all of them. You can import another contour for the blank, another contour for inside. From the same DXF file, you add the spigot milling so that it can create an island. You import another one. Maybe this one is a blank. it goes away. You take another one, for example, a circle. You can create a normal Y circle. How to create a circle, and then from there you go to spigot milling, deep hole drilling. All of them we import. As you can see here, I've done just import my files here. DXF file. You can also import DXF file for the positions of the holes. This is what you do in Siemens 840D. In case you want to learn this, come to a center. We'll show you how to program without having to design. You just use the already existing DXF file from your design. Yes, you can also import the DXF file from the design, just the way you do in CNC laser and CNC plasma. Now let's do a simulation to see what is happening now to our design. I'll show you, is it the same thing we have done? Let's go. Detailed zoom. This is now facing operation. Facing operation. I can rotate for you to see. Yes, this is facing operation. Details, I can zoom, magnify, blah blah, all of them. I can show front. For example, this is the front view, or I can show top view, or I can show this, or can show further views, like that. All of them, details, all of them. So you can see how it's doing. Now this is a spigot milling. Now it's doing a spigot milling. Yes, this is now the actual machine. How to import a DXF file in your Siemens 840D. In case you want to learn more about this one, you can join our center. Come to our center in Karen along Rhino Park Road. You will learn more about Siemens controllers and how you can create shop-turn programs and ShopMill programs from DXF files. Let's finish this one for the purpose of this session to see how you can program without putting in the contours. We just import the DXF file from your design. Or somebody can send you a DXF file, then says, I want you to make this. With the instruction, use the DXF file to import your software or the programming software or your machine. From there, you proceed to cut. And this is now the actual machine, Siemens 840D. Yes, let's see. See what it's doing. Then I'll show you with the final part. Is it the same as what was designed from the client? Let's see. This is now 3-axis milling. 3-axis milling. In the next phase, I will show you 3+2 axis milling. This is now doing drilling. It's almost finishing. We'll see, does it have the same part as the final one? This is not milling. All of them have just that imported the DXF files. There's nothing I have programmed here from scratch. Just imported the DXF file from SolidWorks. Yes, or from your inventor, you can do the same. You see? Tapping. And this is what, you see, you see? This is what you need. This is the extra material I can turn because it is on the clamp side. Down, I'm clamping on this side. I can now turn the other side and then I remove this part so that I can now have the finishing part. Let's go to our design from SolidWorks. We see, is it the same? Is it the same? As you can see here, is it the same? Let's go. You see this is from the SolidWorks. Is it the same? This is from SolidWorks, and then from there I save a DXF file and then I import it. You see, is it the same? Is it the same? Yes. So in case you want to learn, come to our center along Rhino Park Road in Karen. You learn more about programming using what we call ShopMill and ShopTurn. If I want to show you a simple way of creating this program, let's see, for example, this one I can now archive this one, save archive or generate archive, save data, for example, all of them, there's no need of putting the tools, then okay. So that in case I put this program, somebody is able to program this. I can go again, say new directory, and then I say, let's say DAL 002. Underscore 002. Then that's the directory. Okay, I want to put in here new directory, del cleans, let's go 002. Okay, then the same I can say now new, or I can change properties. I can say now because I want to care for uniformity. I can now from this I can say now back new directory, say dal cleans, or dal for example 0 underscore 02. Okay, then I click new. So we have what we call ShopMill program and program guide. This like the G code, which you can mix G code and the DNI cycles. The G code and DNI cycle, but for ShopMill you don't mix. So I can now pick ShopMill. From there you proceed, and then you can now import your DXF files. In case you want to learn more about this one, come to center. I will show you how to create these programs.